Imagine mo na lang na ang PUP San Juan ay kasali sa isang national competition. Lahat ng campus may kanya-kanyang plano. Lahat gustong maging center of excellence, innovation, at leadership. Pero tanong, how do we stand out? How do we stay relevant? That's where strategic planning comes in. Ang strategic planning ay hindi lang requirement o yearly activity. It's a commitment to clarity, collaboration, and growth. Para itong mapa, kung saan natin gustong pumunta, paano tayo makakarating, at ano ang kakailanganin sa biyahe. Without it, para tayong barkong lumulutang, pero walang direksyon. Kaya ngayong 2 araw, we are not just filling templates or brainstorming ideas. We are building the future of PUP San Juan. Step 1. Vision and Mission. Dito natin pinapaalala sa sarili, sino ba tayo? Bakit tayo nandito? Hindi lang tayo basta campus, kundi isang institusyon na may ambisyong maging business and innovation hub ng PUP system. Step 2. Strategy Formulation. We gather data, reflect on our gaps, and set priorities. Kung baga sa negosyo, hindi lang tayo basa ng market. We're planning our next best move. Step 3. Strategy Implementation. Ideas mean nothing without action. Kailangan natin ng structure, support systems, at shared responsibility. Faculty, students, and staff must move as one. Step 4. Monitoring and Evaluation. We assess, we improve, and we adapt. Kasi, ang tagumpay ay hindi isang time event. It's a cycle of learning and leveling up. At ang goal natin, to gain and sustain competitive advantage. Not just today, not just this year, but for the next 5, 10, even 20 years. Kaya, classmates, kapwa guro, at stakeholders, let's finish our plan not just because we have to, but because we believe in what PUP San Juan can become. Together, we are designing a future we can all be proud of. So, are you ready? Let's not just plan, let's plan to lead.